Oh, by the way, I did dye my hair. It's not done yet though. In 3. Wait. Charlie Puth, Left or Right, featuring Jung Kook of BTS. In 3, 2, 1. Somebody's racing outside. Let's go. Oh yeah. I forgot that if you wear headphones, especially these headphones, you could like feel the difference too. I like how it's a simple beat too. Hey, let's go. Hey. Well, at least my left and right. Ooh, and the pink? Wait, you know what? This is the only time I'm really gonna be like pausing. Look at that full out pink like pants Tim's on. Also, I love the update on JK's tattoos. Oh my god. Hi, my name is Dre. I'm a fan of the music, and I think sorry to surprise you, I just think that you're amazing, and ooh, let's go English. Ooh. They going close up on his lips like this? Look at the pores. Ah, yes. Good old green screen. Oh, no. Is that guy supposed to be a therapist? We need more some. I can feel you over here. I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. Your love stays with me day and night. Oh hell nah. You know I was gonna get Chime. This is not even a sponsor. I don't even know why I paused this. I was about to get Chime. I don't know. Bitch, this is a sponsor ass video. Let's go. Oh. Ooh. Ew. Oh. Hashtag ad. Is there a hashtag ad here? No, bro. Not the added MV, bro. They really. You know what's good? It got me messed up because I was about to sign up with Chime. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, and the product placement, the product sponsor. Let's go. Let's run it back one more time. I will never go away. I love that room, by the way. Oof. Let's go, JK. We were tangled up in your bed? Whose bed? My bed or one of y'all 5 beds? So cute. So handsome. God. Such a weird POV, if not gonna lie. Like a shot right here. Hey. It's pretty easy to listen to. Can I actually scan this, by the way? Hold up. No way. No way. No fucking way. Ah. Okay. So it just goes to a pre-save. Okay. It's literally just a pre-save. Yeah, JK's English is really good. Of my mind. I like that lyric. I can feel you over here. I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my mind. Something like that. Oh. That actually is a cute shot of like JK leaning on his neck. Kind of jelly. You know what I'm saying? Look at him. He's so cute. Look how handsome ass mo. Alright, All right, let's skip the product placement.
You take up every corner
Of my mind. What is the purpose of this? Is like the guy is a therapist, right? The old man. It's definitely a summer bop too. Like people could just play in the background. Such a weird MV. It actually, you know, back to it. It is an actual weird MV. He looks so good. Yo, look, can we find like? You know what's crazy? He doesn't really try. That's how good he is. It's actually impressive. Ooh, that shot from above? Look at him. Look at this man. Look at this. Look at him. Bro, I'm literally, when I upload this on YouTube, I'm probably just going to cut out. I'm just going to do just JK. Like Charlie Puth left and right featuring Jung Kook, but just Jung Kook. You remember that night? I just realized those are boots, they're not Tim's. Hella expensive. Man. Fuck, this is gonna be in my head. God damn it. Corner of my the closest thing. This is the closest thing to me getting to JK.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.